Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Children's with Lady T is your sister, your friend. You okay? If this is your first time, or you just then get or you don't they watch, you never decide to subscribe. I beg make you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you go watch more of our video, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you so much. So today, one of our little sister, our little sister, she cry come out. E sure she cry and me even come dey pet her say make she not cry again. After all, this guy never marry you, he not put money for your head, you no even get luck say no be like say na your husband. Wetin you just do? You just dey cry like this, no? So before I will talk the matter wetin happen, I just want to play the voice record, then una go hear, then we go start the matter. All right. You no wan play? Okay oh. Let's say this thing. Make I find am. Una lis ten o, then we go know wetin dey happen for here. Okay.
Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. I greet all of una. Una me, una sister, una friend, una personal person. Abeg o, see wetin my own best friend, my own best friend wey be say I still dey help her family. See wetin she do me. She go get belle for my own boyfriend. Abeg, this kind of friend, wetin dem dey call am? Abi this one na friend, abi this one na devil? This kind of friend, wetin dem dey call am? How you look this kind of person? Abeg, my brothers and sisters, abeg, una talk to me. Anything wey Lady tell una na the truth be that one. Abeg.
Okay, una don lis ten to the voice recording. I just play this voice recording so that una know say na somebody involved for here and the person really need our opinion. Abeg, comment, abeg una, and voice recording. Abeg, this our sister, she really needs encouragement. If you see the way she dey cry now. Say but na boyfriend o, no be husband. If na your husband can't do you this one, wetin you go do? You go and hang yourself. He said the thing dey pain her because say na her friend. Now say well, I understand. So make I tell una wetin happen. Wetin happen be say this our sister, so she can't get friend wey dem dey call Favour. And this friend, she not get document, she not dey work. Now she even dey carry this friend dey waka. Then she get document, she get baby, and she just come, she get baby, and she just come, they can't give her document, she just come see lucky, immediately she can't get work. So she dey work. Then she get boyfriend wey be say the boyfriend not get document, he not get work, you understand? And this her friend wey be Favour, so that one get boyfriend, the boyfriend get document, and the boyfriend dey work. You see the way the thing dey like this, one. So wetin happen be say this Favour boyfriend, if dey talk to this our member, if dey toast her, she can't say she not go gree. So when you can't see her with Favour, you can't say he like Favour. Now you can't say okay, no problem. Say you fit date Favour. Say because the guy not be the kind of guy when they like. He say so he can't date Favour. He say but when she can't see the date Favour, he can't see they can't disturb her again. He can't say he don't fit tell you say he not fit date you. He don't see you don't see they date my friend. Why you dey disturb me? He say no, yeah, they disturb her. He say she not be that kind of person where they betray person. So she can't make Favour understand. Say this your guy. If they disturb me, you don't let me rest. He said, if I say the Favour no believe, you no understand. He say, what he can't do? If the boy they call her, he go come put the something for recording. He go make Favour take understand. Say, see what the boyfriend they do say they disturb her, so he can't tell Favour because he not be that kind of person when be say friend when they betray person. He no say Favour they go they shop, he own for back. She no know. And you know say Favour now, if maybe and the guy you still get small, you know, put it and turn the quarrel, Favour go dey use this our member weak point take dey rise and one side for where the boy dey, you know. Now so you come dey date the boy, oh, that she no know, but the people wey dey around come dey make her dey understand say if you don comot, this babe dey always dey come when you no dey around. So she not believe, e dey always dey hear am, she not believe. So one day, and they just tell her that day she not go work. Now she say okay, make she go see for herself. He say as he just reach there, Favour just lie down for bed. 12 dey lie down for bed. He say just be like Dodo wey Sokoye. Favour, now you follow me, come stab me for back. Now you dey do me this one so. Favour dey look am. Now say wetin you can't do. He say no fit do anything, he not be the type when they fight. He say your later they say in wish them the best. Now he come out. Now cut us say you try because e no easy because now wetin dey provoke some people when be say they come dey follow their girlfriend dey fight before you know say the apple don enter social media. Now say the decision wey she take, she really try. He say you all later they say okay, since na my girlfriend na you say na yampo na e sweet pass. Oh yeah, carry the apple make you dey chop o, no problem. He say as he wan comot na there the favour come call am say abeg make she no vex, he don even dey pregnant for the boy sef. Cause say you don dey pregnant. Say okay, no problem, I wish you safe delivery. He say na so he come comot, but she cry. Now go dey pet am say no cry again now, why you go dey cry? At least this boy now he never marry you, na just boyfriend. He say wetin pain her pass na the betrayal. You know say if they talk am, you know when you see your guy with another girl or you see your husband with another girl, the thing dey pain. But wetin come dey pain pass na with your best friend. Not to pay reach that thing o. No be say because say e even go for the walking stick or the jogodo na be wetin dey pain. Na the betrayal na be the pain wey dey for inside. That betrayal, because this lady he call you, tell you say okay your own guy dey disturb me o, see as e take dey disturb me. E make you understand if at all say your own guy still dey disturb you, why you no do the same thing? That's why you have to be careful of friend wey you dey follow, because friends, most of them they are very bad. They are very very bad, you understand? And now he say don get belle. So wetin you go do? He say nothing go fit do. Even up till this morning when I dey do this video, so me and the girl just talk finish, she never reach 5 minutes, she still dey cry. The thing dey now I come say okay, wetin make you dey cry now? Now that one me no understand, but let me ask this girl, wetin make her dey cry now? As the boy just show himself for this beginning now, you no like her down, say maybe he don marry you finish, you don born 2 pikin, and so you begin dey shop all your friend ample dey go, dey shop all your friends. Some men they not their wife no get friend, because any friend don chop, so their wife not dey get friend. Some men just dey like that. So as you just know for the beginning, you just leave her, it's more better. I can't even tell her say okay, wetin make you dey cry now? Because you no get work, you no get money. But bad friend is bad, because favor, if you watch this video wetin you do to this your friend so is very bad, because this your friend, this our member of this platform, she no get mama, she no get papa. Favor, you know as this girl dey help you, e dey help you send money go meet your parents when your papa wan do operation, you no see money go give them. This girl say she empty herself, her last kobo she gather am give you, make you send go give your papa for house, make e take do operation. But wetin you can't do? Na the way you want to pay her. Favor, is this one good? If person do am to you, you go like her? Somebody wey dey help you dey send money, she say because say she no get parents, e no want make you be like her, because she dey feel the pains of not having parents. Then when your own come, e make sure say e help you from that situation wey dem dey call you say dem wan do operation, no money, your papa wan die, you dey run up and down, no where you for see money. She empty her pocket give you money, no be say you pay that money back. Why are you ungrateful somebody? Why you dey bite the finger that fed you? Na so you post speak am. Why you come waka as men e reach, no where you wan reach when you no see man, you no see, you say na that your best friend own, if you never shop am you no go rest. Abeg which word una get for this favor? And another thing again, now the guy dey come beg, because at last the guy no get work, he no get anything, na load you go leave am. The guy now dey come beg, because na this our friend, so na even dey carry the boy dey waka, because the boy no still get. He say na devil work. Abeg come tell am say go meet am, na he don already get belle for you. He say the girl don go remove the belle, say he don go remove am, say he no fit for wahala. Now say if I tell you say he wan born, na okay now he say he don remove am, you go carry? She say she no go fit go back to her vomit, she no go carry. He say even now wey dem don quarrel, all the boy friends, all of them dey come beg her, say they wan start to dey date her, make she date them, including that favor boyfriend wey be say e first disturb am for the beginning, when he say no, you no be the kind of person wey I dey find, he no gree for am. I say the guy no even let am rest again. I come say okay, you see am now, since favor don go meet that one, make we just dey together, and na you I first want for the beginning. Now say you agree? He say no still agree. So which advice una get for this our sister, for the all those people wey come dey disturb am now? But for me I think I say all of them fit be the same thing but this is boyfriend, because any man wey you never marry, e go chop your friend handful. My dear, if you never marry her o, no carry again, because that man can do more than that. If the man no see your friend as your sister, because person friend is like sister, e come go dey chop the apple, e fit chop your sister apple, e fit chop your house girl apple, e no apple wey e no fit chop. So the best thing, if una never marry, so una just dey date, you just see am say you chop your best friend apple, no carry again. Make e just carry farm, make e carry am go front. And that best friend, no ever make friend with am again, because if e betray you once, every possibility dey there say e go betray you again. And the second one wey go betray you, na only God na go save you. Show me your friend, so that you go know how you take waka. No follow bad friend waka, friend wey you no get conscience. After this lady don help you, help your family, see dey help you for year, cook, you no sabi cook, she go still cook, you go call you say oya come chop, you go still chop. You no know as African food dey cost? If you no know, African food e cost for Europe well well. Dem go still cook, dem go carry give you, dem go still tell you say come chop, you go chop, because you no get work. Na wetin you wan come take care? You think say you ever see friend like this girl again? Even though say you spoil the belle, you no spoil the belle, that friendship is close, because that girl, she no be mumu wey be say go come accept you back. Oh my people, wetin una think about this matter, this ungrateful friend? Make una leave una comment. The voice recording, I go appreciate una so much. Abeg, this our sister, I still dey cry. Abeg, you, our sister for this platform, no cry again. Why you go dey cry? Because of one boy wey e no get work, e no get document, e no get the one wey e dey for you, e come say betray you join am, na you wan kill yourself for? You need to take am easy o, because if you come marry now, your husband come offend you, na be say wetin you go come do? Abeg my sister, just take am easy. Life continue. God go give you better man wey no go give you tears, wey no go after your friends. Na that one go be your prayer now. Just forget say such person e dey exist, because e no worth you. And thank God that you quick know now before una do marriage. My sister, take care of your baby. God will bring the right man for you, and be patient, because you are still very very young. You never ever work. How many years? You never reach 30 years. You are very very young. So my sister, take it easy. No cry again because of your pikin o. Anything happen to you now, assistant social leader carry your pikin, who will help you take care of pikin? Nobody. So just dey strong for your pikin, and not let that boy matter bother you. Abeg my people, I stop for here o, and don't forget to leave your comments and encourage our sister. Thank you all so much for coming around again. I'm your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone. I did here for you, my sister, my brother, my father, my mother. I thank you all so much for supporting this platform, and God will continue to bless you, and grant you your heart's desire in the mighty name of Jesus. And stay blessed, and see you again on our next video. Oh God, now another story. Dey road dey come. Bye bye.
Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. I greet all of una. Na me, una sister, una friend, una personal person. Abeg o, see wetin my own best friend, wey be say I still dey help her family. See wetin she do me. She go get belle for my own boyfriend. Abeg, this kind of friend, wetin dem dey call am? Abi this one na friend, abi this one na devil? This kind of friend, wetin dem dey call am? How you look this kind of person? Abeg, my brothers and sisters, abeg, una talk to me. Anything lady T tell una, na the truth be that one. Abeg.